Did you know that every single year, tens of thousands of people literally fly across the globe, landing right in Thailand for one highly specific reason? They are chasing the absolute future of medicine. Welcome to today's Explainer. We're diving headfirst into the booming, fascinating, and, let's be real, sometimes totally overwhelming world of regenerative medicine in Thailand. International patients are traveling from everywhere to access these advanced therapies, but trying to navigate all the options can feel like solving an incredibly high-stakes puzzle. So our goal today is to give you a clear, structured roadmap so you can understand exactly what you're looking at and make some truly informed decisions. You know, when people first start researching this, they almost always hit one massive, glaring question right out of the gate. Where is the best place for stem cell therapy in Thailand? And it's so easy to freeze up, right? You get major analysis paralysis, trying to pick between these world-renowned medical hubs like Bangkok, Phuket, or Koh Samui. You're just sitting there wondering if you should prioritize a massive city hospital or maybe a beautiful, serene island retreat. Well, here is a crucial reality check, and honestly, the folks at STEMCIERGE hit the nail on the head with this one. They point out that there is simply no single best location for every type of stem cell therapy. Think about it. You wouldn't book open heart surgery at a relaxing day spa, right? No way. Favorable travel scenery simply cannot turn an experimental intervention into an established medical treatment. The right destination absolutely has to match the specific treatment, the condition you're managing, and the required medical setting. So, to make sense of all this, here's our roadmap for today. First, decoding the treatments. Bangkok as a medical powerhouse, resort recovery in Phuket, premium recovery in Koh Samui, what you absolutely must verify before you travel, and finally, a much smarter way to navigate everything with STEMCIERGE. Okay, Section 1, Decoding Stem Cell Treatments. Let's get into the science. We really need to break down the fundamentals here because people throw around the phrase stem cell therapy like it's just one standard, one-size-fits-all procedure, and it absolutely is not. You're gonna hear two big terms, autologous and allogeneic. Autologous basically means the cells come directly from you, like from your own fat tissue or bone marrow. Allogeneic means they come from a highly screened donor, often using umbilical cord tissue. Now, is one automatically better or completely risk-free? Actually, no. You can't just pick a cell source and assume it's gonna work miracles. The real magic and the safety lies entirely in the laboratory. The exact product, the strict processing methods used to expand those cells, and the intended medical application require really deep evaluation. If that lab environment isn't pristine, or if the cells are expanded way too many times, they literally lose their potency. To bring some real clarity to the evidence, we can actually put these therapies into three distinct buckets. At the very top, we have hematopoietic treatments. Think blood or bone marrow transplants. These are complex, established hospital treatments for very serious things like blood cancers and severe immune disorders. Next up, we've got MSCs, which are often used for knee or orthopedic issues. Now, this is an investigational space. While some people see huge improvements in pain and inflammation, the evidence is still mixed, so reliable cartilage regrowth isn't just a guaranteed outcome. And finally, those IV anti-aging infusions. Guys, these are unproven wellness applications. They might be marketed everywhere, but they just lack the strong, peer-reviewed clinical evidence for routine use. Just because a clinic sells it doesn't mean it's clinically proven to turn back the clock. Moving right along to Section 2, Bangkok, the medical powerhouse. So we're basically looking at a tale of two completely different destinations. Let's start with the heavy hitter, Bangkok. If you need complex, high-acuity medical care, Bangkok is literally the unrivaled champion. It has the highest concentration of massive tertiary hospitals. It's where you'll find those heavily monitored, publicly documented hematopoietic transplant programs. It's also the absolute HUD for academic research, backed by giant institutions like Chulalongkorn, Ramathabodhi, and Siriraj. Why does this matter for you? Because it means your care is backed by hardcore, peer-reviewed science. If you have a complex, high-risk case that needs a massive team of specialists and immediate intensive care backup, Bangkok is, hands down, the clear and obvious choice. Next up, Section 3, Phuket and Elective Resort Recovery. Heading down the coast, Phuket offers a total contrast to Bangkok's intense, bustling urban vibe. The core difference here is all about matching the patient's specific needs with the right environment. Bangkok is highly institutional, built from the ground up for those high-risk cases we just talked about. Phuket, on the other hand, gives you direct international travel access, paired with a resort-style recovery. It's absolutely perfect for medically stable, elective orthopedic patients. Imagine getting a verified procedure for some joint wear and tear, and then chilling out by the beach for an extended recovery, all while still having substantial private hospital support nearby just in case. All right, Section 4, Koh Samui, the ultimate destination for premium recovery. Now, if you are medically stable and going in for a verified elective procedure, let me tell you, Koh Samui is the absolute pinnacle of personalized restorative care. Honestly, I highly favor this option for recovery. Just imagine waking up to tranquil ocean views instead of staring at cold, sterile hospital walls. That lower stress environment actively helps your body heal. You get maximum privacy, completely removed from the heavy traffic of a massive city. We're talking luxury, long-stay accommodations, doctors who actually come to you in an unhurried, deeply personalized way, and totally seamless integration with world-class wellness and physical rehab. It's not just a vacation spot that happens to have a few clinics. The island has evolved into this purposefully designed medical retreat. Top-tier specialists actually travel to the island specifically to treat patients in this totally stress-free environment. It completely removes the anxiety of navigating a massive, confusing hospital. Everything you need, premium treatment, targeted rehabilitation, and resort-level recovery, just seamlessly combine into one gorgeous private experience. Verify before you travel, because your safety absolutely has to come first. Okay, let's talk safety, because there are some massive red flags you literally cannot ignore when evaluating a clinic. First, if a clinic guarantees a 100% cure, walk away immediately. Human biology just doesn't work that way. Also, be incredibly cautious if they refuse to tell you which lab is processing the cells, or if they won't provide a written certificate of analysis. You have a right to know exactly what's going into your body. Watch out if they try to sell you exosomes as approved stem cells. They are cell signaling vesicles, not living stem cells. And lastly, especially if you're out on an island, if they don't have a documented 24-hour emergency hospital transfer plan in place, that's a huge deal breaker. Safety requires serious preparation. Finally, a smarter way. Let's look at how to navigate all of this with STEMCIERGE. Look, trying to evaluate all these lab protocols and safety measures by yourself, it's an incredibly daunting task. But partnering with an international patient concierge is the ultimate solution. Instead of going down endless Google rabbit holes or trusting glossy brochures, STEMCIERGE literally does the rigorous due diligence for you. It's super straightforward. You just complete a free 3-minute assessment to get your personalized candidate profile. From there, they help you compare your real options with crystal clarity, matching you with hand-picked, thoroughly vetted specialists that make sense for your specific case. They even coordinate the entire journey, from that first consultation all the way through your treatment, making sure you get the right product in the right facility with the right oversight. So the final thought I want to leave you with today is this. Are you ready to explore your options with clarity? Don't let all the noise and confusion of medical tourism compromise your health or, frankly, your peace of mind. Whether you need the heavy-duty academic infrastructure of Bangkok or you're looking for that incredible, highly personalized healing sanctuary in Koh Samui, you really don't have to figure this all out alone. Compare your options, verify the science, and coordinate your journey with STEMCIERGE. The right treatment is out there waiting for you. Are you ready to find it? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and here's to reclaiming your health with absolute confidence.